Haven't you always wanted to cook your chicken coated in 5 pounds of butter? I know a lot of you have seen this viral video from Chef's Club where a chicken is cooked coated in 5 pounds of butter. I can tell you right off the bat that this is the most expensive chicken I've ever cooked. You're looking at about $20, $25 worth of butter alone. All right, we have our 5 pounds of butter. You add in some herbs. I'm gonna put in a little garlic. I have unsalted butter, so I'm salting, peppering. Okay, then enough lemon juice and wine to thin this out a little bit. Okay, going in. Technically, you could make this recipe with half the amount of butter and just rub it all over your chicken. They wanted to submerge it for effect, I think. Just keep squeezing. So it says to add wine and lemon juice just until it forms like a paste. So you want to thin it out a little bit with the liquid. Okay, so before we submerge it, stuff the chicken with some lemon, carrots, and potato. Here goes nothing. Oh no, it's just rolling right off. All right, I'm gonna make sure my chicken is really dry. Y'all, it just slides right off. I don't know how you get it to stick on the chicken. It does require about 30 minutes of chilling, I guess, to get the butter back to a firmer state. So I'm gonna cover it on here. Oh, there you go. The whole bottom of my chicken is not covered. So I'm just gonna pile it on the bottom and hope that it chills together. Okay, I have roughly used about half the butter. It's insane. I'm just going straight to the freezer. I just want this stuff to firm up on the outside while I prepare the pan. You would think they could stop there, but no, this is like a one pan meal. We're going to set the chicken coated in butter on a pan of rice that is uncooked, but you don't add any liquid to this part. At this point, I am a little bit skeptical on how this is gonna turn out. You don't see a ton of vegetables in the video, so that's probably good. Typically, we would need equal parts rice and liquid. I don't think that much liquid is gonna come off of the chicken, so I'm just gonna add a little liquid. A little salt and pepper. All right, it's chilled. Now my butter is like made a little magic shell on the chicken. Okay, I'm a little more hopeful now. All right, we're gonna roast away, so this beauty is gonna melt off within a matter of minutes. See you in an hour. Definitely not short on liquid. Man, that smells so good. Hey, guess what? I was wrong about the liquid thing. There's plenty. All right, the smell is amazing. My skepticism has gone away for the most part because it worked. As expected, all of that buttery coating just melted right off and then it cooked in its juice. I don't know how I feel about this. I would say either up the rice content by a lot and maybe don't use instant rice. Maybe use regular rice. Very buttery. You've got to drain that. It's just, it's almost too much. You know, I didn't know you could say that, but too much butter isn't always a good thing. I am expecting the juiciest chicken ever. That is juicy for sure. But I'm starting to think it might just taste like a roasted chicken. Although it is super juicy. Maybe juicier than my normal roast chicken. I would totally skip this step if you were gonna roast it because this is really not edible as a side dish. Okay, so very pleased with the juiciness of this chicken. So it's really making me think that this method could work for a turkey. Probably better for a turkey than a chicken. Juiciness, 10 out of 10. Cost, 1 out of 10. Roasting chicken or turkey with butter is a good idea. Just maybe not 5 pounds of butter.